Morning viewers, well, just coming into Paterson. Bit of a short ride today. Just a local road that I've never been on, I want to check out. So I thought I'd just come for a bit of a short ride. Actually got a new drone, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Gonna give it a run today. Hopefully if I get any good footage I'll pop it on this video as well. Yeah, so a couple of things we're going to have a look at. Mentioned in one of my last videos, this village of Paterson. Quite a nice area to come for a bit of a short-term visit, have a look around. But today I'm checking out this Weber Creek Road, and I'm hoping, if Google Maps is accurate, that it might loop onto another road that I consistently ride on, so it could give me a bit of a loop. Anyway, we'll investigate and see how we go.
Honest work out in the field, cornbread in my mama's kitchen, daddy saying grace before the meal. Family ties run deep in this land, and I'm never very far from what I am. I was born country, and that's what I'll always be, like the rivers and the woodlands, wild and free. I got 100 years of down home running through my blood. I was born country, and this country's what I love. Moonlight here beside me, crickets serenade the yard. What more could two people ask for, laying here in love beneath the stars? Now this is where I want to raise my kids, just the way my mom and daddy did. I was born country, and that's what I'll always be, like the rivers and the woodlands, wild and free. I got 100 years of down home running through my blood. I was born country, and this country's what I love. I was born country, and that's what I'll always be, like the rivers and the woodlands, wild. I got 100 years of down home running through my blood. I was born country, and this country's what I love. I was born country.
Well, it looks like this is where we come to the end of the road that we're allowed to go on. Looks like it's private property from here on in, on both sides. So, as that marker says, we're about 15 kilometres in. So we'll turn around and go back to Paterson. Enjoy the views along the road. Well, I've got a bit of drone footage. That was its maiden flight, and basically my maiden flight as well, controlling the drone. So yeah, with a bit of planning and a bit of practice, hope to bring a little bit better quality and planned, interesting drone footage. Just thinks it gives this, you know, a different perspective as well. Alright, I'm heading back into Paterson now. And yeah, we'll see what that brings.
Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill, and the town lit up. The world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Well, the good old days may not return, and the rocks might melt, and the seed may burn. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Some say life will beat you down and break your heart, steal your crown. So I've started out for God knows where. I guess I'll know when I get there. I'm learning to fly around the clouds, but what goes up.
Well, there's a bit of drone footage of Paterson. Still learning the techniques. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, so just probably going to head for home. A nice little afternoon, and we'll see you guys next time around. As I say, subscribe, like, comment. Feedback's always appreciated. Alright guys, I'll exit out of Paterson and see you on the next time around. Thanks. Cheers.